Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update about President Donald Trump. The United States, under the leadership of President Donald Trump, has suspended foreign aid, a move that has significantly disrupted the supply of critical treatment for HIV, TB, and malaria in some of the world's most vulnerable regions, including South Africa. This decision, which forms part of broader foreign policy measures, has raised alarm among global health organizations and local governments reliant on United States assistance to combat infectious disease. South Africa, one of the countries hardest hit by the HIV epidemic, has warned to potentially devastating consequences for millions of patients depending on life-saving ARVs treatments. The suspension also impacts the provision of TB and malaria treatments under-resourced regions. Diseases are among the leading cause of death in developing countries, where foreign aid has been a critical lifeline in addressing healthcare challenges. Withdrawal of United States support put lives at risk. Without this assistance, many patients will lose access to vital medications and healthcare services, said Dr. Sipho Mokoena, a South African healthcare expert. The United States has historically been one of the largest contributors to global health initiatives, with programs such as President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief playing a central role in the fight against HIV and AIDS. Experts warn that the suspension of foreign aid could reserve years for progress in reducing infection rates and mortality. The humanitarian organization has condemned the move, urging the United States administration to reconsider its stance. The Global Fund to Fight AIDS, TB, and Malaria described the suspension as a setback for international health cooperation. Millions of lives hang in the balance. This is not just a financial issue, but a humanitarian one, said a spokesperson for the organization. While the Trump administration has justified the decision as a measure to reallocate resources for the domestic priorities, critics urge that such cuts undermine the United States' commitment to global health and erode its international influence. Efforts are underway to explore alternative funding sources, but healthcare professionals caution that delays in restoring aid could result in avoidable loss of life in the affected regions. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.